Hi! Welcome to another mediocre tutorial. So today we're making a corpse bride veil from the movie Corpse Bride. Here's a reference photo. So you're going to need a couple of things. I got most of my stuff from the dollar store. You're going to need some kind of rope, some fabric, flowy preferably, white preferably, some flowers. Again, these were from the dollar store. And these are some stick-on flowers. And you're going to need some kind of metal twine or something to affix your flowers to your rope. Some bobby pins, some scissors. So first you're just going to cut these apart. Yeah, that looks like enough. Okay, next you're going to take your rope and measure it around your head. Overlap it a little bit. And then grab your metal twine and just twist it around so that it's secure. All right, next you're going to take your flowers, and because these are, they have a wire inside them, they are bendable and twisty, and you can like manipulate them into different positions. So just, however you want, bend them around, and then I just pulled off these end bits because they weren't doing it. And then take your metal twine, twist it around the length of the flower stem just to affix it to your cord. And then you take another one, do the same thing. And just keep doing that until it looks good enough to you. Okay, so now I'm adding some of those felt flowers, just a couple here and there. And then I was feeling like it still wasn't looking full enough, so I added a couple more of the flower buds. Just play around with it until you like how it looks. Okay, next you're going to take your fabric. I got this from the thrift store. It was $3. I used most of it for this project, and then it had some trim on it that I cut off for a different project. Just cutting in some like curves and waves and things, because the edge of her veil is not straight. It's kind of got these like weird roundy bits. So yeah, just make it a little bit raggedy and jaggedy on the edges. I was gonna dye it, but decided not to. Feel free to do that because hers is like grayish blue, especially around the edges. So then you're gonna fold the edge over your rope, twine, crown, whatever you want to call it, and then basically just do like a whip stitch around to secure it in place. When you're doing this, make sure that your short end of your fabric is on the underside of the crown so that when you wear it, you don't see that frilly bit. You see the cascading fabric flowing down from over the top of the crown. And then just spread it out, and there you go. It's all done. Thanks for watching.